Hello, this is Code On. Welcome back. Okay, now it's time to check if the username or the email are not already taken because we want these two to be unique. As you remember, in our user schema, we have defined that these two these two columns are unique. Okay, what we have to do is to write the needed SQL for this. So we say SQL and then we say select, select just the ID from users where username is equal with, and we have our username, or email is equal with, and then we have our email. Okay, so if one of these are true, then a record or more, a record is found. Okay, and then we say result, a MySQL query, and then we have the link and our SQL. We can copy this from here for our result in case it's not the SQL query, it's not working. And then to make sure to check if a record has been found, we have this function MySQL affected rows. Then we pass the connection. So if this is greater than 0, it means there is a record with the username or the email. Basically, this function returns the number of affected rows by the last SQL by the last query. So if this is true, then we want to show an error message. So we say the user name or the email fields are already taken, something like this. Okay, now back to our browser, refresh. So we have this row in our users table with the username column test and the email column test around test.com. We can say test once again, test 3 around test.com. Let's see, password, click sign up. The username or the email fields are already taken. Perfect. Now if we say test 5 and test around test.com, password, click sign up. Once again, the username or the email fields are already taken. Now if we enter some valid values, so write that, password, click sign up. Of course, once again, let's see, test 2 around test.com. So we have password, and once again, password, click sign up. Your account has been created, please sign in. Perfect. Now if we click on browse to refresh this page, we have our second row in this table. This time has an ID of 3 because I did some testing. So we have test 2 around test.com, and with this we are done with the registration process. In the next video, I think it's time to write the code for our login, because this is the last thing that we have to do. See you in the